haven't made a video in a while. I don't know, I just haven't really gotten to it. Been rather lazy. Trying to think of something that I should do. And so I'm walking home from school, my bus driver decides to, hey, let's make him walk. Let's actually make him walk further than you should regularly walk. So, she makes me walk. It was raining. I don't like the rains. Raining makes me wanna do stuff, like, to myself, like, I don't know, like something like, self-mutilate, because that's the kind of person I am. Look at that emo belt. Yeah, I'm emo. Yeah, see, self-mutilation. Josh was here. Oh, see, yeah, that's what I do on rainy days. To draw on myself, because just kind of person I am. Self-mutilation. So they make me mad. Rainy days make me angry. Make me wanna, you know, maybe like grab this weight and go up to someone and say, hey, do you want this weight? And they'll be like, ah, sure, then go weight in their face. So their face snaps open. That's what I wanna do. Make me so angry. I don't even know why. Well, I'm sitting in my bedroom, waiting for something fun to happen. Like my little windmill right here. It's broken. That's another thing that makes me sad. But it still works. So wonderful. Full of life. You guys might not know, but I'm going to Niagara Falls tomorrow. It'll be pretty fun. Could make a video there. It broke. Stupid. But on the positive side, I'm having pierogies for supper tonight. I love pierogies. They're my favorite food in all the world. My favorite.